We have come together this afternoon, both family and friends, to witness the exchange of vows of marriage of Mr. Marino Arazola and Miss Grace Arcelias. We share with them their delight in finding love with each other and support their decision to be together. First Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 8 says, "Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs, it always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails, but where there are prophecies, they will cease. Where there are tongues, they will be stilled. Where there is knowledge, it will pass away." This marriage is a symbol of the bride's and groom's commitment to that love. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to concentrate. To light the couple's path, the candle sponsors. The groom, Mr. Marino Arazola. The groom's mother and brother, Mrs. Felicita Arazola and Mr. Rodrigo Arazola. The best man and maid of honor. To stand as witnesses to the couple's vows, the principal sponsors, Pastor Eduardo and Mrs. Lenny Tamor. Mr. Rene Boy and Mrs. Jenna Tagnites. Mr. Armando and Mrs. Teresita Florentino. Mr. Maximo and Mrs. Flora Omang. Mr. Ricky and Mrs. Jonaline Rivera. Mr. Ryan and Mrs. Mardy Joy Tafalia. Mr. Rex and Mrs. Rizal Villarba. Mr. Enrique and Mrs. Feliciana Agapay. Mr. Romeo and Mrs. Luz Viminda Austria. Mr. Freddy and Mrs. Evelyn Ramos. Miss Perla Vega. Miss Leia Arellano. To clothe them as one, the veil sponsors. To bind the couples together, the cord sponsors. To carry the symbol of the couple's faith, the Bible bearer. To carry the symbol of the couple's treasure, the coin bearer. To carry the symbol of the couple's love, the ring bearer. The flower girls. The groomsmen and bridesmaids.